Phase of safety inspection includes planning, identifying hazards, reporting issues, and ensuring fixes. So, kani is kailangan nimo siya magplano o kanang i-identify nimo ang mga hazards para ma-report dayon nimo ang mga kuan. Ma-report nimo ang mga kailangan ayon o para safety. Steps of safety inspection includes planning, identifying risks, documenting issues, recommended fixes, and ensuring improvement are made. So kami diri is kanang magbuhat na ka o kanang papel para maka-recommend na ka sa kailangan ipaayo o kung siya ipa-improve sa building. Importance of safety inspections: prevent accidents, ensure compliance, and protect lives and property. So, the importance niya is kanang malikay sa disgrasya o pagsunod sa balaod o ma-protect ang property sa tagiya. Safety inspection identifies and assesses hazards to prevent accidents, ensure compliance, and protect people and property. So, kaning safety inspections is mani siya ang mga example lang niya is kanang BFP kay kanang mag-check sila sa mga building like kanang mga hazards sa building para makita nila ang result kung delikado ba ang place. Purpose of safety inspection aims to identify risk and maintain safety. So, ang purpose sa safety inspection kay para ma-secure ang place o ma-safety ang life sa mga tao o ma-prevent pa ang mga accidents. Objective of safety inspection is to protect lives, secure property, and ensure quick recovery of affected facilities. So, ang objective is sa safety inspection kay para ma-protect ang lives o ma-secure ang property para if ever na ay damage daan ang building kay repair na yun.
This is my report. Safety survey includes an introduction, facility details, assessment of physical and procedural security threat, identification, findings and recommendation, and a conclusion. Ang kaning survey safety includes is general cleanliness, lighting, ventilation, noise level, and layout. Mga equipments niya kay condition, maintenance, proper use, and safety feature of machine or tools. And second, physical security protects people, property, and asset using barriers, assess control, surveillance, lighting, and security person. Ano siya kay nagkuha siya refers to the protection of people, property, and physical asset from the threats such as theft, and it involves the use of barriers and to prevent damage, and use system like ID para dili po dayon masudlan sa mga panimalay. Use ID gadgets, key cards, locks, and biometric scanner kini biometric para maglisod po ng mga kawatan mosulod to control kung kung kinsa ang musul kaning kung kinsa ang musulod sa panimalay sa isa ka area kailangan na po kay CCTV para ma-monitor nimo kung ginsay ni sulod mana. Third ay personal security. Ensure employees are trustworthy and do not pose security risk through screening, access control, and monitoring. Kani siya kay kuan sa mga employers kuan verifying a person, criminal records, employment history. Bali kuan kailangan kanang ano nila ang isa ka tao kaning bago nila i-hiring ang isa ka tao, kailangan nila kuan ang criminal record o naman si criminal record and para employment history. Kuan fourth kay document and information security. Document and information security, safeguard data from branches, leak and loss using access restriction and ensure management. Kaning document information kay kuan siya na to record content whether physical or digital that is used to communicate. Bali kanin lang communicate nila. Ang example kay kuan, bali example nila mo ni ang kuan kaning ang maagi nila para mag-communicate sa speakers. Include mag-reports, form and emails. The last one kay security inspection report format. Summarize findings, risks, and recommendation from a security reviewant. Ano siya kay nagkuhan siya nag-provide siya og kaning structure way to record sa tao or line kon record finding, observation and recommendation from a security inspection. Example kay ang routine nila ani kay kuan check, incident, follow up, compliance, review o kaning mo lang.
The security lightning deters intruders and improves visibility by eliminating dark areas. For example, ng mga suga sa gawas para ma-identify kung nabay tao o unauthorized person nga nakasulod. Then, building security. Prevent unauthorized access and proper protect occupants using surveillance, access control, and alarms. So, kini building security, guys, makatabang walay makasulod nga intruders sa isa ka establishment o kini kay for example nga mga Holy Cross building security kay presa na mga guard na to, sila ang prevent sa unauthorized access ay unauthorized person nga gusto mo sulod sa atong area. General environment operation. Ensure workplace safety, security, and compliance by overseeing access, equipment, emergencies, and hygiene. For example, mga safety sa ka place, ilan ang gina-check para to prevent accident sa mga empleyado. Tapos sa mga kulang equipment kay pwede ra ka request nga provide sa isa ka agency. Tapos perimeter security checklist, secure fencing, control gate access, proper lighting and monitored surveillance to prevent unauthorized entry. So kani perimeter security checklist kay to secure kanang perimeter sa isa ka area nga dili maka o walay makasulod nga unauthorized access without permission. Tapos kini mga next kay exterior security, a property using barrier cameras, sensor and lighting to prevent unauthorized access. So kini parehas ra gyapon sa perimeter security. So kini gamit aning exterior security kay yung mga lightning or sensor nga cameras para dali ra ma-prevent o may bawaan ang isa ka tao kay kung basta mo na.
For my part, I'll be discussing locks and key control. The first line of defense is in security. By managing physical access, we may ensure that only authorized people can enter sensitive areas, preventing unauthorized breaches. Locks and key control. Locks and key control are essential for securing access. By managing who has keys, we prevent unauthorized entry and keep our facilities safe. Employee and visitor control ensures only authorized people enter. Methods like ID badges, sign-ins, and security checks help maintain and secure environment. A security guard force plays a vital role. They monitor activities, control, and respond to incidents to protect both property and people. Surveillance systems use cameras and sensors to monitor and record activities. This deters threats and enhances overall security. Communication in security. Effective communication is key. Radios, alarm, networks enable fast information sharing, ensuring quick response and coordination during emergencies. Fire emergency planning. Fire emergency planning saves lives. It includes evacuation routes, alarms, fire drills, and clear procedures to ensure everyone's safety. Together, these measures create a comprehensive security system, keeping facilities and people protected. Thank you.